Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we have something just a little different for you. We found out about the Funko Pop Horror 13-day spooky advent calendar. So of course we had to get it. This is not the first one they've had. They've had them a few years. But we always miss them or we just don't like who's in them. But we decided to get it this year, and they give us a little preview of who's in there, which from watching a few old videos, there's a few redos that they did this year, which is not a problem because like I said, this is our first year doing it. So here we go. Number one. These cute little bags. They're a little see-through so you can kind of see what's in there. La Llorona. Very cute. Very, very cute. Does that little thing come off? No, it does not come off. Very cute. Oh, her little dress is like a little dirty. Very cute. Oh, yeah. Oh, maybe not. I was hoping she's still in there. Nope. She's a little top heavy. We'll forgive her for that. We have, oh, one of the Lost Boys. That is an old school movie from my day. Number three. Pennywise. Pennywise is a favorite in our house. My daughter is obsessed with Pennywise. She loves all things Pennywise the clown, new and old. Very cute. He's got little teeth. He's very cute. Alrighty. Moving on to number four. And to go with Pennywise, we've got Georgie with his little boat. The SS Georgie. Number five. Forgot to mention, I was going to do these one per day for the last 13 days. But, you know, I couldn't help myself. We have Annabelle. She's cute with her chair and all. She's very cute. They're pretty detailed. They are pretty detailed for such small little pieces. Oh, Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice is one of my faves. As a kid growing up, I loved Beetlejuice. And I can't wait for the new movie to come out. I'm very excited. 7. Another Pennywise. We have new and old. Very cute. He is very detailed. Very detailed. Oh, he's a little heavy. Is your head too big for you, mister? Oh, I think his head is too big for him. Number 8. Like, as we're getting into them, these bags are getting The Exorcist. This is cute. I have not seen the new movie yet. We have to watch the new movies. The new one that came out. The Nun. Woo! She looks cool. We are a fan, as you can see, of all things horror in this house. It is Halloween and spooky season 365 here. Oh, look at his mask and oh my god, his knife is so cool. His machete is so cool. I think he's like one of the coolest ones. I don't know. Oh, wow. He's like one of the coolest ones. He looks really cool. They're like top heavy though. I'm gonna have to find a way to put these around. Alright, Freddy Man. Oh, look at his little, they just dipped his fingers. He's cute though. He's cute. His pizza face. 12, 1 to go. Lydia. It's like these things are getting harder to open. Ooh, in the red dress. Lydia in the red dress. Ooh, the veil. The veil and all. That is really nice. The veil's got like layers to it. Okay. I see you, Funko. Last. In the previous one, they had the twins from The Shining. Oh, let's see. Who is it? Oh, it's the other Lost Boy. I don't really remember their names. So we got both Lost Boys. That's kind of a cool little, I don't know. They should have put them together in one, the way they did the twins. But that is all. 13. A lot of them are very top heavy. Oh. Oh. Yeah. He stood on his head. La Llorona is really cool. Oh, there he goes. We're not following. We're not finding him. Annabelle's really cool. She's got vomit on her and all. That's really cool. All right. There we go. All 13. I really, really enjoyed them. I can't wait until next year or the following year whenever they decide to do another one. They do have different ones. We saw FNAF, the Five Nights at Freddy one. They had Pokemon ones. We got these at Target. Definitely worth it. And I can't wait to do it again. So, until next time, guys.